So, guys, we are at a juncture where we should carefully choose our profession and our professional specializations so that we don't get stranded searching for a job or a career. Because, as you know, the COVID related recession has literally obliterated, decimated job opportunities around the world. So, if you're wondering which kind of profession or specialization would fetch you a job in the post COVID days, this session is exactly for you. I'm addressing management, commerce, and technology graduates collectively with this session. Start with the commerce graduates. For them, the future lies in an area of taxation which is new and relatively undercrowded. It doesn't have enough professionals with registration to practice in that line. This is nothing but the GST practitioners. So if you take the GST practitioners test by the government of India and become a registered practitioner, it's a blue ocean and the opportunities would be plenty post-COVID. Please note, the practicing chartered accountants are given 2 years concession to take on this exam and become a registered practitioner. In due course, the government will put its foot down and ensure that only those who have cleared the GST practitioner's test can practice. Coming to management graduates, the potential lies pretty obviously, in e-commerce, mobile commerce, and e-governance. Of course, logistics. Today, almost all of the commerce is online. So e-commerce, mobile commerce would be a tremendous opening post-COVID. But for this, e-commerce as a paper in marketing will just not be enough. The e-commerce, mobile commerce sectors or industry wouldn't prefer jacks of all trades. They would rather prefer specialists in e-commerce and mobile commerce. So the dire need of the hour is an MBA in e-commerce and mobile commerce. Similarly, another potential area would be an MBA in e-governance. E-governance, as you know, is doing all the governmental duties and responsibilities online. This is a sector which would open up tremendously. So e-governance, MBA e-governance is a potential area. This message is also for the All India Institutes of Management and universities so that they open up the appropriate streams of management with employment potential. Logistics obviously had good potential in the past, but the potential would increase manifold in the future, and there will be tremendous opportunities for MBAs in logistics area. Coming to technology, the most potential areas are a BTech in blockchain, which the All India Council of Technical Education introduced recently, or a BTech in artificial intelligence, again introduced by the All India Council of Technical Education recently. Very few campuses in India have opted for these two streams, which are exactly the potential streams for technology graduates. As you know, more and more equipments and accessories would be controlled by artificial intelligence in future. So there will be a tremendous demand for BTechs with specialization in artificial intelligence in the future. Similarly, the entire e-governance function is going to be within the domain of blockchain technology. All government departments are going to function under blockchain technology. One by one, the transition is taking place. So there will be a tremendous demand for BTech with specialization in blockchain. So, instead of specializing in areas of the future or areas which are sustainable post-COVID, if we continue to opt for conventional streams, the future is quite obvious and absolutely bleak, and there is no light at the end of the tunnel. I hope the educational leaders and educationists across the world would carefully study and design courses which are useful in post-COVID, immediately after and during the post-COVID recession. So if we are not paying heed to this approach, the next generation will pay the price. We will be creating a huge number of professionals with no jobs and with absolutely no scope of finding a job. Thank you very much.